Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing a hopefully quick tutorial on how to use the Brilliant Bow Maker Medium Classic template. And for your ribbon, it lists the measurement here, really handy to have. You are going to need some 7/8 inch ribbon. I am using black. I have mine pre-cut. You are going to need your scissors, lighter, obviously the template. You are going to need a needle and thread, and also you are going to need some clips. These will come in handy. Like I said, I have pre-cut my 15-inch strip. I do not V-cut my ends prior to. If you would like to, you can do that ahead of time. However, you do need to fold it over, find the center, heat seal so that you have a nice crease. You need this crease. You need a very good crease because you're going to want to line that crease up with that center line right there on the template. And you're going to tuck either side under those arms. So this is what you have to start off with. You're going to take the right hand side. You're going to fold it around the front. Bring a clip in and clip it into place. You're going to take this. You can turn it up and down like this or side to side, whatever you're more comfortable with. You're going to fold it across and you are going to wrap it around the back like that. Bring in another clip. And then we're going to take this side, bring it around into the back on the bottom. So what it's going to look like on the back is this. The front looks just like this. You can sew up the center if you want. You can just put a little, you know, put your needle through the center and then cinch, or you can use the the little stapler that comes with this. However, we are going to go based off of the book. And yes, your kit will come with these handy dandy, lovely little books. I have all mine on these little rings. Just makes storing them so much easier. Probably should have grabbed this out ahead of time, but that's what I get for not thinking. They give you a couple of methods in here on how to secure it. I would definitely look through your book, find the method that works best for you. But, like I said, we are going to sew. And you see, they give you a nice little diagram here on what you're supposed to be doing. So, yes, my thread is white. That is the only upholstery thread they had. So, you're going to go in from the top and come out right under the X. You're going to go in like that and then slide the needle on the other side all the way up to the top of the X like that. And that is what you want to have. That's what the back looks like. And then you are just going to push your needle through. If you've been here a while, you know I love tons of thread. It usually ends up being very problematic. Now that everything is secure, you can take your clips off and pull your loops off of the arms and then slide the template out. At that point, I wrap my thread around once. You're going to want to lay this on a flat surface to do this. Have your thread in the middle, See, the thread's right there between your fingers. And you are going to pull. Make sure you pull tight. And then I wrap around a couple more times. Before you tie off, you're going to want to sit here and fiddle with your loops. Make sure they're even. See, just drag them, drag them. All right. Once you are happy with your loops, you're going to come around and you're going to knot off in the back, just like this. I slip it under the thread, come out like that, push it a little bit more, and then I wrap the thread around 3 times around the needle. And I pull tight to knot it off. You're going to clip off the excess. For security reasons, as of late, I have taken my lighter and just run it over the ends of the thread to just kind of heat seal them. All right, so you end up with something like this. This is where I V-cut once everything's done. Obviously, this side does not have to be trimmed down, so I'm just going to go straight in with the V-cut. I always work from the back. There we go. So one side. Now we are going to have to trim down this side a little bit because it's a bit long. So trim it down a little bit and then repeat the same step. Go fold it over from the back and V-cut. Heat seal. Remember, heat sealing is very important. And there you go. You have a cute little medium-sized classic bow. This measures about 3 inches, so it's great for a little baby headband, or you can put a clip on the back, and it's just a cute little bow for your child's hair. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to see any other of the Brilliant Bowmaker templates, please comment down below. If you have any requests for tutorials, questions, comments, whatever, comment them down below as well. If you have not subscribed to the channel already, please click the subscribe button so you are, so you're notified when I upload new videos. And if you click the bell button next to it, you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Have fun with this. As you can see, I have had a huge amount of fun making these, and I'm probably going to be sitting here making a bunch more for bows for my shop later on. But if, like I said, if you have questions, comments, tutorial requests, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you again next time. Bye.